Hello, everyone. Welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. Today, friends, we're talking about teas. And we all know that teas are good for us. But did you know that the right combination with the right ingredients, that tea could be so beneficial that it could literally be like medication? So, our Father in heaven created all of these wonderful plants, right? And herbs. And we have become so detached from, nature that we don't even think about, plants helping us to heal our bodies. And so I wanted to make a video today in reference to a tea that I take, that I drink. And that's helped me out in my own life and with my own health situations. So, friends, I'm just giving you some information about what's helped me. So I am not a doctor, nor have I proclaimed to be. Not a nutritionist or healthist or anything of that matter. I just know that what I've done and what's helped me with my situation. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, please stay tuned and let's go. I have taken notes because I don't want to ramble on. And so I have notes on my tabby, and I'm going to be reading some of my notes from here. So this super powerful tea helps with your female problems. It helps with cramps, your cycle, bloating, uterine fibroids, gas, urinary tract infections, or irritable, irregularities, irregularities. Forget it. The reason that I discovered this tea is because I was having my own problems with this list. And so I went looking for something to help ease my discomfort and pain. And so I came across this tea. It's a combination of ginger, oregano, turmeric, and black pepper. And so I'm going to prepare this tea and I'm going to show you what I do and how to do it. It's super simple. I take it every day and I make a batch that lasts me for about 3 days or so. And I drink it in the mornings before I put anything else inside of my body. And so I want to break down the ingredients just a little bit, just to tell you what the benefits are. So oregano. Oregano reduces bacterial imbalances and reduces inflammation. So things can get pretty large down there depending on our cycle and things like that. So inflammation. So it helps with that. It protects the stomach against certain intestinal parasites. So, and it helps to prevent constipation, yeah, that. And it also helps improve the overall immunity, the overall system. So oregano. And then ginger. Ginger is a traditional spice, and we use it for everything. I use it to cook. You can eat it raw. You can chop it up, and these days I eat it a lot. I have to tell you because it's such a great benefit to my health. So I've learned all kinds of new ways to eat ginger, but I especially like it with sushi. But that's a different story. So ginger is a superfood, and benefits. It's loaded with antioxidants, and it's a great thing for the body. Ginger. And then next we have turmeric. Now, turmeric is something that I've worked with for many years. I do a lot of beauty products with it, you know, my natural face masks and things like that. But I've never worked with raw turmeric until I started making this tea. And so I actually enjoy turmeric very combination with the black pepper. Um, because turmeric, it cannot break down certain things. So I'm going to just read it. Turmeric cannot be used properly by itself because it has poor bioavailability. So it doesn't really break down in your system very well. And so the black pepper is a bioactivity, and that helps the turmeric to break down. So they work hand in hand to break down the benefits. So that's what's in the tea. And again, this tea is amazing for health, fibroids, uterine fibroids, and your menstrual cycle, and all of these things like that. So without further ado, drum roll, let's make tea.